Hi friends, it's Julie here with a new video. Today I was trying a new winter satin pattern which I was found on internet. In old days was very popular to posting in the printing posting in vintage magazines their vintage satin patterns of their old Hollywood stars. That those days it was like Hollywood stars, not old Hollywood stars. Anyway, today I was trying to do Lauren Bacall hairstyle. I will put here the picture of the pattern and then you will see that I actually recreated it. I was sleeping like always with that pattern all the night like on my hair, of course, it's not really looks like her hairstyle, but I was trying to make this signature part like she have, and probably she have more heavy and longer hair because these parts she have more fluffy and bigger. But anyway, I actually very like this pattern and I have a lot of plans to use different satin patterns because I always using my basic one and I receiving like the same waves, yes, and all my hairstyles basic on that my classic satin pattern. But today I very like this wave. It's super cool. My satin pattern not giving me such wave because like every time when you're using foam rollers you can put them in different directions and you'll receive different waves. So it's pretty interesting because I need to be honest that I'm really bored with my hairstyles. Okay, anyway, today we do about satin pattern vintage Lauren Bacall hairstyle. You can try if you have the heavy hair. I think it will be laying exactly like her. She have very soft hair, soft waves, but I search a lot of photos to see how they like laying, and this is definitely her pattern. Let's start. I will show you how I did this. So I used their satin pattern from the picture. You can see the picture and I recreated. Used foam rollers and the bobby pins. Firstly, I'm brushing my hair with the soft brush. And after this, taking my teasing brush and starting to watch what we have actually because it's a new satin pattern and I always was taking a look on the picture of the Lauren because to see how the curls was laying and how wave was going on her original photos. So like every time you can set in your hair and make the shape different. So I was trying of course to do like she have, and it was pretty difficult. Every time I was trying to see how it needs to go, and I was placing her duck bill clips and removing duck bill clips, then placing again. So I was playing with this. Actually, the main part of the hairstyle is just a page boy.
she have a little bit other setting because her heavy hair not laying like mine is soft, and that's why mine very like to curl and making cool curls, and she had more soft waves, so that's why a little bit difference. Like I'm like always doing, as you see, my page boy style with the tizen brush, helping my hair laying good. And actually you can see again how I was doing my page boy style. Covering everything with hairspray. Without hairspray, your hair won't be laying like it's necessary all the day long. So I'm covering always few times 2-3 layers at least, and helping with my hand to make it smooth. Hope you like this tutorial. You'll try it. Don't forget to like and follow me. Bye bye.